Intermediate Algebra, Section 11.3, Geometric Series. To find the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence with a common ratio r, we use the following formula. S sub n is equal to the first term, a sub 1, times the quantity 1 minus r to the nth power, divided by 1 minus r, provided that r is not equal to 1. And let's look at an example of finding the sum of the first 10 terms for this geometric sequence. We need to know what the first term is. That's 3. We further need to know the common ratio, and we can find the common ratio of a geometric sequence by taking a term in a ratio with the preceding term, which gives us a common ratio of 2, and we can verify that. 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24. And we need to know what the nth term is, and they're asking us for the sum of the first 10. We have the first 4. We could generate the 10 terms and then add them up. Rather than doing that, though, let's use that formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence, which was previously identified as a sub 1, the first term, times 1 minus the common ratio to the nth power, divided by 1 minus r. Replacing those variables with the specifics for this problem, the sum of the first 10 terms in the geometric series will be found by taking 3 times 1 minus the common ratio, which is 2, to the 10th power, over 1 minus r, which is 2. Simplifying what we have here, we'll simplify inside the parentheses, and the exponent has the priority. 2 to the 10th power is 1024 over 1 minus 2, or 1 plus a negative 2, which is a negative 1. Simplifying further in the parentheses, 1 minus 1024, or plus a negative 1024, leaves us with a negative 1023 over negative 1. Multiplying a negative times a positive in the numerator gives us a negative. Divided by a negative is going to cancel out the negatives. Dividing by 1 doesn't change anything, so our final step will be to multiply 3 times 1023, and it turns out the sum of those first 10 terms in this geometric sequence is 3069.